Hi guys, and how's it going on? And today we will be discussing about how to connect a domain to Shopify. So let's just begin with our process. Now before we start, make sure you click the link below to get the best Shopify free trial and start your business with some exclusive bonuses. So what do we need to do is, first of all, we need to get a domain. So there are two different methods you can get your domain. Either you can use Shopify itself and it have an amazing domain generator. You can use that from settings, and you can see we have domains in here. So if you head over to that and you can search for domain. So let's just say I want Vision Store 123, something like that. I'm typing in here this just for sample, so you can see it is saying no domain found. You can simply go through some more and try to find some domains, and once you find it, apparently they are going to be listed in here. Or what you can do is you can connect third-party domains. So currently in our list no domains are added, so to add it you can head over to buy new domain and then search in here for, like, for example, like I done already, Vision Store, and then it will be giving us some ideas about some of the domains. So you can see below some of them are being listed within Vision Store, and you can purchase them. They have this yearly price and you can add it onto your Shopify. So that's how simply you can do it inside Shopify and connect it as well once you purchase it. So I have already connected my domain in here. So that is it for this video, and hope this video was helpful. Finally, make sure to click the link in the description below to take advantage of our exclusive Shopify free trial to start your business right away.